complete. B is for ball that bounces to your feet. C is for cat with a purr so light. D is for dog barking through the night. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for horse, galloping loud. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, tasty in my tummy. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for monkey, swinging from a tree. N is for nest, where birds love to be. O is for octopus with 8 arms wide. P is for penguin, sliding on ice with pride. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rabbit, hopping all over the place. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes of black and white. U is for umbrella, for a rainy day. V is for violin that loves to play. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing a melody. Y is for yak, woolly and strong. Z is for zebra, galloping along.